Hello there, everybody. Let me fix my hair there really quick. Okay, so in this section of our Apollo launch pad, we are going to dive into accounts. Now, accounts are obviously one of the most important things that we look for, but how could we make that more automated and seamless of a process so that we can A, enrich existing accounts, right? But B, find net new accounts. So we're going to start with the latter, actually. And I want to use this example here. So let's say that we're at a fintech company, right? I'm sorry. Let's say that we're selling into a fintech space, right? So thinking about this, we sell into fintech. The target buyer is going to be like a head, a C-level, a VP, so on and so forth. So what that means to me when I hear that is we probably, especially as a smaller company that's selling into them, should start with a little bit of a smaller demographic, firmographic kind of idea, right? So the first thing I want to do here is I want to look at number of employees, and I want to just check out, it shall be like 50 to 1,000. Let's start there. Okay. So these are the correct sized companies, and let's expand that a little bit. Now, the company that we're talking about here wants to focus on companies that are located in the US. So we're going to go to location. We're going to go to account HQ. If you're selling into a company that you need the buyer also in the US, which I've heard, we also want to kind of cross filter that here. So we have both the account and the contact are located in the United States. Okay. Next piece here is the most important. Let's talk about industry and keywords. What do we get if we look up fintech here? Nothing, right? Financial services, sure, but that's more like wealth management kind of stuff, I believe. How do we narrow down from computer software, internet software, or internet, what do we say? Information technology and services, information services, right? So we want to go a little bit more granular, right, than an overall kind of umbrella of an industry, right? What I will recommend here is let's make sure that we are not excluding or including companies that shouldn't be here. So what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to pause this really quick, is run through this, find all the industries here that have anything to do with finance. And that's what all my finance friends say. Soft I guess. Be right back. Okay, let's pick it back up here. So we have a pretty broad umbrella here of industries that are related or could be related, I guess, to fintech, right? Now, what I want to do next is, and this is the piece that most miss, right? When you open up this, you see industry and keywords. If you go into advanced settings and then go into, and this is very important, types of keywords, right? So right now, the default is company name and social media tags. But if we go to social media description and SEO description, right, I think we're going to be able to see that our results are going to be a little bit more precise, if that makes sense. So I'm going to type in here fintech, and then I'm going to see what services, right? From here, I'm going to come over and say, okay, I have fintech companies. You're in the financial services, but I'm going to then steal keywords here, right? I'm going to look at keywords that I can insert into our overall keyword search. So I'm going to say financial technology and look at the numbers here.